Welcome to Glowbom. In this video we will be creating a quest. Choose story and enter the name of your project. Press the pencil button to open the editor. Enter your texts and add answer options. Indicate the number of the element to which this or that answer will lead. To add a voice or change the color of the application, go to the settings.
It is a warm spring morning. You are walking in the park. The sun is shining. Birds are flying. You have a delicious latte in your hands. Life seems beautiful, but there is something missing. What? One more latte. Visit a friend. Open your own business.
Now let's deploy our web application to a hosting. You can use any hosting you like. For this app, we use Netlify. Let's export the data file in source code. Now let's put the data file in the assets folder. Next, let's change the icon. You just need to drag and drop your icon files into this folder. Finally, let's drag the web build folder to Netlify. Alright, there we have it. Now let's open the link and test our quest.
It is a warm spring morning. You are walking in the park. The sun is shining. Birds are flying. You have a delicious latte in your hands. Life seems beautiful, but there is something missing. What? One more latte. Visit a friend. Open your own business. You take another latte and continue your walk. It's still missing something. Let's go to a friend, then. Or maybe think about your own business. Even though you woke your friend up with your call, he is happy to see you. A true friend. He shares his news with you. It turns out that yesterday his application entered the top 10 apps. He's really happy. You, too, are happy for him. So you congratulate your friend with all your heart. Next. You also want to be very happy for yourself. So you muster up the courage and decide to create an app too. You once had several ideas, but you must choose one. Adventure Quest. A bot that advises about movies. Travel app. You travel a lot, so you think it's a great idea to create a cool travel app. But where to begin? Name, data collection, design. The options that come to mind are Traveler's Life, Travel for Dummies, Fun Travel. Good, a start has been made. The development of the application, codenamed Fun Travel, is declared open. The road ahead is long and hard, but interesting. Let's go.
The next step is to add the app icon to the home screen. To do this, go to the browser on the phone, open the app link, press share and add to home screen. Here you can change the app name. Great, now your web app looks exactly like a mobile app.
It is a warm spring morning. You are walking in the park. The sun is shining. Birds are flying. You have a delicious latte in your hands. Life seems beautiful, but there is something missing. What? One more latte. Visit a friend. Open your own business. So you decide to start your own business. Do you have an idea? What will it be? Online library, donut shop, travel app. Perfectly. What do we start with? We explore all the donut shops in the area. Think of a name. Let's call Mum and ask her to be the donut chef.
Thank you for watching the video, and let us know if you have any questions. I wish you the best of luck building your app. See you on glowbom.com. Take care.